Hello, I'm John Arden. I'm very excited about coming back to New Zealand to speak for my favorite seminar organization, Compass. We're going to be talking about all the major new developments in sciences that were once thought to be somewhat irrelevant to psychology and psychotherapy and mental health in general. They include not only neuroscience, but epigenetics, how genes can be expressed and turned off, how your immune system affects your mind and your capacity to maintain a positive sense of well being, and how to deal with areas like depression and anxiety. I know there's a lot of therapy types out there, but we're going to be looking for common denominators among the therapy types and to help you help your clients deal with such problems as depression and anxiety and trauma. So I look forward to seeing you in New Zealand soon.